GreenTech found the wildest bulldozer moves out there. 100% real, no CGI. These pros know their machines like they know their land. You've got to see it. A curious fellow posed a fascinating question to the D11 operators. Could a pair of these dozers, linked by a stout cable, just wipe out buildings between them? He's thinking big about clearing out those unpopulated urban areas. Operating the Mega MES 34 with large rocks isn't just about power, it's about precise control. Watch how the Tumble system helps the operator handle tough terrain smoothly. And here's a challenge. Can you spot what makes this operator stand out?
Rock cutting session is done. This little exercise on that most of you guys feeling a lot better.
The dozer operator is absolutely crushing it. He's a true master of his craft. And doing it all on a DT-75 turbo, a upgraded Soviet crawler packs a turbocharged A41T engine with over 100 horsepower? That's impressive.
Look at the next one there. God, unlock this door here.
Yeah. Seem to be done massively.
That was some lucky break. A clean drop with no damage and no injuries.
Chain broke. Ooh, now that was a scary moment.
I've seen excavators work on hills, but this is next level. That M535 looks like it's defying gravity. Huge respect to the guy behind the controls. He made it look way easier than it actually is. Anyone else feel both awe and concern watching this? We can almost feel the power and grit of heavy industry. The scale of this coal mine is massive, but it also raises real questions about long-term environmental impact. Welcome to the core of a quarry site, where the massive MVI 6804 takes center stage. Its size and capability reflect the scale of work required in heavy excavation, moving rock, shaping land, and keeping the entire operation running efficiently. If you had to pick one superpower for a dozer pushing through a pile, what would it be? Endless fuel, indestructible blades, or super speed? The careful loading and transport of a Caterpillar D8T dozer shows the precision and coordination behind heavy equipment moves, handled smoothly by Soteriadis and Labrianidis, with clear experience guiding every step. I've never seen a crane fold back like that. Did a pipe layer seriously just collapse? Unbelievable. What a disaster on site.
Не, ну должен вылезти. Пускай. Сейчас туда вот вылезти, прицелом зацепить ту гусеницу. Во, должен вылезти. Блядь, ну двигается же. А, его с ног. Леша. Возьми трос. Да ну, Леха.
What just happened? That Zoom Lion just made a dramatic exit from the trailer. Bet the operator is kicking themselves right now.
peas. Слава богу.
Отойди, Миш! Оп, хорош!
We witness a dramatic T130P bulldozer recovery from 2007. The clutch drive failed, but thankfully, the operator safely jumped clear. It's a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of heavy machinery work.
Вся сборная команда.
Scary moment for the operator. Now for some sheer winter force. Watch an MTZ-82 bulldozer with an angled blade absolutely dominate the snow. These operators are truly pros, expertly clearing roads. Their skill makes even the toughest conditions look easy. Big props to these cool guys getting the job done. This dozer versus two challengers footage shows incredible power, but also highlights critical safety risks. A snapped cable is no joke. Spectators need to maintain a safe distance. Nice machines. So, which one do you think won? Which blade position gave which the advantage? Looks like that earth mover is trying a new express route. A few more crossings like that and the dozer's done. Hard to believe they couldn't find a proper ramp. This attitude toward equipment is exactly why things keep breaking. Let's chill in the ultimate ride. the K701 tractor's cabin. Hear that growl? That's the sound of a 22-liter atmospheric engine purring its way through a field. It's like a symphony for gearheads.
Не будем ехать через болото, чтобы пачкать трактор.
Take his old hat off.
I strongly advise against trying this. If the system glitches, the machine could move on its own. It's genuinely risky. Few jobs demand as much courage and skill as this. Watch in awe as this excavator scales a towering building, methodically breaking down concrete. The bravery and precision shown here reflect the true grit of those who face danger head-on to get the job done. Respect. Now we move into essential groundwork. Here, a Cat D7G is steadily at work on road construction. It's a reminder that dozer operations rely more on consistency and control than showy moves, and that skilled operators play a key role in shaping solid foundations. At this Cambridgeshire reservoir site, a D8H22A with a 463 scraper works in sync with a D8K, load for load. Can machines this big really move as one? This scene proves they can. Continuing our journey into large-scale operations, we enter the dynamic world of mining. This next clip showcases the vital role of seamless coordination between various machines at a Tumble mine. Each piece of equipment works in harmony, from extraction to transport, creating an efficient and powerful symphony of earth moving.
Der wollte da so.
Verlängert jetzt.
Ja, er will das. Quasi den Arm rein und rausfahren. Ja gut, er liegt 22 Meter auf. Jetzt würde ich sagen. Jetzt neigt er sich, jetzt fällt er. Satan zieht.
This is more than demolition. It's a careful process where large machines bring down structures with precision and control.
Stumpf ein bisschen. So,
Watch as the K701, equipped with amelioration discs, tackles challenging soil conditions with ease. This innovative setup offers a fresh approach to land preparation, going beyond what traditional plows can handle. This Komatsu D375A-5, built in Japan in 2009, features a 525 horsepower engine and has logged over 11,000 hours. Located in Vladivostok, it's still ready to take on demanding work with confidence. Feels like an airplane cabin in here. Take a look at this fully rebuilt Komatsu D355A bulldozer. With a complete overhaul, it's ready for tough work once again, showing how proper maintenance can bring lasting value and extend the life of heavy equipment. Join us at the Hrušovany-Židluković rail line, where the Donnelly PTH 350 is laying tracks with steady precision and efficiency. This machine simplifies a complex job, showing how modern rail construction is done. Stay tuned for more insights from the worksite. Nice work from the operator. Smooth and precise, even on the ramp edge. Back when I ran a drag line, loading onto a tight trailer without extensions always left me drenched in sweat. It's never as easy as it looks.
Стой!
Someone definitely miscalculated that load. A Fiat Alice taking a tumble, lifting the truck too? Yikes. A Leland's mini dozer is a game changer for landscaping. Just watching this video is making my back hurt already. If you liked the video, comment 1. If you thought it was boring, comment 0. Anyone who's worked with aggregates knows this pain. Screening's freezing solid enough to flip a dump car is intense. It shows the clever solutions like using multiple excavators or a hydraulic hammer that crews come up with. That's real skill and real dirt work. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe. GreenTech's got more where that came from.